right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? Today I'm in a 2019 Nissan Altima, and I'm going to show you where all the slushy compartments are, the slushy holders are, the hidden compartments, glove compartments, sunglass holders, and knickknacks where you can put things at, okay? So, I'm sitting in the driver's side part of the vehicle, right? I'm going to look down here. Whoa, I can put a slushy in this right here, all right? Look, put some other things. I'm going to move over here, put some coins right down in here, all right? Right over here, 2 more slushies can go in here. Move backwards, put some coins in there. Right here is how you get to this storage box. If you pull either the list one right here or this one, it can open up different parts of it. Let's go ahead and try that out. All right, so I'm gonna do the lower, pull that, look, the lower, boom. All right, now to do the upper, pull this right here, upper, boom. That's pretty cool, right? All right, we're gonna move around. I'm gonna go right here, look right here. This is the glove compartment box. I open that up, boom, you can get a glove compartment box. Boom, right here, 1 more slushy. Pretty amazing, right? But we're not done yet. We're gonna go right here, open up the sunglasses compartment. Boom, put some sunglasses in there. A lot of places to hide. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching.